अलविदा।
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಶುಭ ಸಂಜೆ शुभ संध्या गुड इवनिंग टू वन एंड ऑल सुहाना सफर 9 में आप सबका स्वागत है। बहुत ही जल्द आपका इंतजार खत्म होगा और हमारा सफर शुरू होगा। Join this musical journey that will touch your heart and soul. Ladies and gentlemen, now let's put our hands together for our charismatic host for tonight's musical extravaganza, Reva Tejare. Just a brief intro about her. Reva is also a singer and she can sing in 10 languages. She is the winner of Red Diva Award for Excellence in Singing and Performance by Red FM Bengaluru, and she is a new sensation in hosting shows. Okay. Conducts corporate events by a band named Sapphire. Okay, and she has given her playback for private albums and short films. Has been a reality show of Awaz Maharashtra. Maharashtra Cha.
Because all the way I'm from Maharashtra.
Okay, she's from Maharashtra. Performed with legendary playback singer Anuradha Podwal under her own banner Rajnigandha. And learned ghazal from Pandit Sri Ravi Date. Okay. And continues to do ghazal events in Bangalore. And of course, she has got a master's degree in computer science and also is trained in Hindustani classical music. Thank you. I hand over to Reva.
So, good evening everyone. Thank you Krishnendu ji for such a wonderful introduction. So, आज के इस खूबसूरत शाम सुहाना सफ़र के 9th एपिसोड में मैं आप सबका बहुत 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 स्वागत करती हूँ। Though I'm a born singer, today I'm standing here in front of you as your host. और मुझे बहुत खुशी है कि मैं इतना प्यारा ग्रुप का एक शो होस्ट करने जा रही हूँ। सप्तसुर क्या है? व्हाट इज सप्तसुर? सप्तसुर यानी कि 7 सुर, 7 अलग अलग सुर मिला के जैसे बहुत बहुत प्यारे प्यारे गाने बनते हैं, वैसे ही इस सप्तसुर ग्रुप में अलग अलग हुनर के, अलग अलग टैलेंट के आज बहुत सारे सिंगर्स यहाँ पे इकट्ठा हुए हैं। करीब करीब 27, आई एम राइट 27 सिंगर्स आज आपके सामने अलग अलग तरह के, अलग अलग मूड के, कुछ पुराने, कुछ नए, कुछ पेपी सॉन्ग्स पेश करने जा रहे हैं। लेट मी टेल यू अ शॉर्ट जर्नी ऑफ सप्तसुर. Saptasur was formed in 2015 by a couple who loves music और उस कपल का नाम है संजय जी चौधरी एंड सीमा जी चौधरी। एक बार उनके लिए पहले जोरदार तालियां हो जाए। तो 2015 में कोरोना के पहले when he was a retired person, they were thinking कि कुछ किया जाए और how lovely idea they come up with कि उनको उनकी पत्नी ने मतलब सीमा जी ने उनको ये आइडिया दिया कि क्यों ना हम एक अच्छा सा म्यूजिकल ग्रुप बनाए एंड दैट्स हाउ दे स्टार्टेड सप्तसुर एंड लेट मी टेल यू देयर इनिशियल स्ट्रेंथ वाज 13 सिंगर्स एंड नाउ आफ्टर ऑलमोस्ट 9 years they are almost a group of 50 to 60 singers together and none of the singers are professional singers but they are just together to keep their music alive. बहुत प्यारी सी बात है ना, इससे ज़्यादा रिटायरमेंट लाइफ बिताने का और कौन सा अच्छा मतलब ये वे हो सकता है ना। तो मुझे लगता है इस सारे म्यूज़िकल जर्नी में जो भी शामिल हुए उन सब के लिए एक बार ज़ोरदार तालियां हो जाए। एंड नाउ आई वुड लाइक टू कॉल अपॉन द फाउंडर मेंबर संजय जी चौधरी एंड सीमा जी ऑन स्टेज। प्लीज़ स्टेज पर आ जाइए। Now, let me introduce Sanjay ji to you. He's enjoying his retired life immersed in the world of music. known for his achievements as distinguished sports person, inspired by his wife Seema, the couple began a heartfelt musical journey, united by their passion for singing and their deep appreciation for music. वो sports person है, वो तो देख के पता चल रहा होगा ना उनका how fit he is. Because when I entered in the practice room for the first day, I was like, oh really? मतलब उनको देख के मुझे कुछ लगा था कि हाँ शायद कुछ तो होगा. He looks so fit. Then together, dedicated platform aimed at nurturing, showcasing emerging singers. Sanjay's remarkable versatility shines through as he effortlessly captivates audiences with a soulful rendition of both Hindi and Bengali classics. और मुझे लगता है कि अभी मैंने उनका गाना सुना था किशोर दा का, तो किशोर दा के गाने बहुत effortlessly गाते हैं. So I'm also eager to hear his song today. And Seema Ji Chaudhary जो है वो एक बहुत ही passionate housewife है and she is a music lover. She derives immense joy from singing retro Bollywood songs and exhibits equal proficiency in performing popular Bengali melodies. तो आज इस couple की वजह से we all are together, तो उनके लिए एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाए. And may I again call upon one of the founder members, Krishnendu Ji on stage. Where are you? Yes. So by profession, he is a chef and co-administrator of the group in 2016. 2016 May he joined this group and now he's almost like a founder member. He takes care of all the activities going on in Saptasur and मेरे साथ भी सब कुछ coordinate मेरे ख्याल से वही कर रहा है. So इन तीनों के लिए भी जोरदार तालियां हो जाए. और जैसा कि हमारी भारतीय परंपरा में किसी भी शुभ काम की शुरुआत हम लोग भगवान की पूजा करके करते हैं, तो सीमा जी को और संजय जी को मैं रिक्वेस्ट करूंगी कि वो गणेश जी की पूजा करें एंड देन विल स्टार्ट फॉर द शो. कृष्ण डू ऑल्सो. बहुत ही प्यारी सी घड़ी है. जोरदार तालियों से एक बार सब सिंगर्स का, सारे सप्तसुर के टीम का और इन तीनों का स्वागत करिए. So thank you very much. Now, on this note, I would like to request Sanjay ji to say a few words to their audience.
Thank you, Reva, for such a lovely. I really don't know how express. I really don't know how to express myself. Thank you so much. In fact, क्या retired लगता हूँ मैं? Well, इन्होंने तो मेरे को अब 10 साल छोटा कर दिया actually. Well, good evening and warm welcome to all of you for this lovely show. I am sure you will enjoy the show.
Our heart with immense pride to stand before you as we mark this milestone occasion together. Saptasur began as a simple gathering of 13 passionate singers in August 2015. All bound by a shared love for music. Today it has blossomed into a large, vibrant family of our over 100 members, coming from all walks of life. Corporate professionals, doctors, engineers, bankers, professors, homemaker, and even young children. This is a place where talent, passion, and dedication come together in harmony, creating an atmosphere of pure joy.
Yes, every month on the third Sunday, we gather to perform, share, and celebrate. With around 60 high quality performances each month, our singers pour their hearts out into their singing, and these beautiful renditions are shared with a wider audience on our YouTube channel also. You must have watched, all of you. Month after month, singers perform and look forward to the next event with renewed vigor. This anniversary celebration is being live streamed, extending our reach to music lovers far and wide. We hope you all feel part of this event, whether you are here with us in person or joining us online. We have performed at old age homes, charitable institutions, even prestigious places like IISc. Many of our members have gone on to sing at various corporate events and television programs also, making a mark beyond our gatherings.
Saptaswar is more than just a musical group, it is a musical family. Here everyone is a singer first, regardless of position or profession. We are a group bound by love for music and respect for one another. We can proudly say that Saptaswar is now a household name amongst amateur singers in Bangalore. Just a few months back, we proudly celebrated 100 months. Saptaswar has blossomed over the years thanks to the dedication and contribution of each singer. Our foundation is teamwork, and each member understands their role so well that everything flows seamlessly. The bond among us goes beyond music. Our bond goes beyond performance. It's about mutual respect, support, and shared love for music, which makes Saptaswar feel like an extended family, a family that grows stronger with every note, every rehearsal and every performance.
Yes, but Saptaswar did not blossom into a household name overnight. We have faced some challenging days as well, anxiously waiting and hoping for singers to join us. It has taken years of persistence, hard work, and a commitment to keep going during the toughest times to reach where we are today. For this, I am deeply grateful to all our singers who stood by us and supported us through those difficult early days. It's our commitment, it's your commitment rather, and faith that have turned Saptaswar into the family we are today. I always believe in teamwork. Now let's look forward to a wonderful evening of music and joy. Our talented Saptaswarians have put their hearts into their performance tonight, and I know they have something magical in store for us. We proudly present to you Suhana Safar, Season 9. Enjoy the show. And to take you through that, none better than Eva.
Thank you.